Go.
Good day everyone, I am Lisgar Tabamukabilin, an animal science student. So today I am going to demonstrate the different types of techniques in injection administration. So namely the intramuscular, subcutaneous, intravenous, and intradermal. So today let's start to the cattle. So imagine this is, let us put this way, that this is the sample animal, which is the cattle. So I am going to perform the intramuscular administration, which is located at the neck portion of the cattle. So let's just say we put 2 ml and 1. Let's just say, for example, this is a fiber syringe, so that dali ata mahuman. So I'm gonna put 2 ml of this. So okay, so for the intramuscular, it is about a 90-degree angle. So first, let's massage the part, then 90-degree angle, and the 2 ml. So next, massage then after. Then next is the sub-Q administration, which is located yapon siya sa neck part. So first, ato yung siya massage. Dayon. Ato gid siguro nga makakuha ng height dira. Tak. 2 ml. And then massage. So next is intravenous. So let's just say, for example, this is the sample animal, and the intravenous is located at the site. The intravenous site is injected in the jugular veins. 2 ml yapon. And then massage this after. Then next is the intradermal, which is located at the front leg, dapit sa shoulder, sa front leg. First is massage, and then massage after. So that's it for the cattle. And next is for the swine. So let's do it again. Tambal. Okay, so for the swine, sa intramuscular site is the neck portion, and likewise 90-degree angle. So and then massage. Next is sub-Q, which is located yapon siya sa neck part, and massage siya. 2 ml. Okay, massage. Next is ang intravenous, which is located siya sa ear, back portion of the ear sa swine. Intravenous. then massage. Next is intradermal, which is located siya sa front leg yapon, dahil sa tight, tas itong loose skin dapit. Massage, and sure ang hait. And massage. So next sa dog og sa cat, since parehas naman sila og ato naman sila isa. So again, put na tag balik lagi siya guys. Okay, ato lagi din siya, imagine nyo muna siya ang fiber nga level. Okay, so sa intramuscular maragapon 90 degree angle sa dog is malukit siya ang intramuscular sa iyahang thigh. So, example mo siya 2 ml gapon, and then massage. Next is sub Q, which is located siya sa, pwede siya sa back of the neck sa dog o sa cat. Massage, nalimot ko, 2 ml, and then massage sa iyahang. Next is the intravenous, example, located siya sa front legs, 2 ml yapon siya. Massage, check back. Massage the foot. Sunod is intradermal, nasa sa front legs, tapos sa shoulder. Ito na ilo skin. Okay, and then massage. So last is sa chicken, sa ating poultry animals. So first sa intramuscular, which is located siya sa breast part. So mara yaw na itong baton. Balik ka. Adjustan, tak. So sa intramuscular, located mo siya sa breast part. Likewise, 90 degree angle yapon. And then massage. So next is the sub Q, which is located siya sa back portion of the neck. And first is massage, then 2 ml yapon, massage. Next is intravenous, which is located siya sa wing part. First massage, then 2 ml massage. So last is intradermal, which is located siya sa wing web. So maragapon massage, tapos siguro dahil nga makuha ng hait na part likod. And then massage again. So that's it. And then next is the intramammary infusion. So assuming mauni siya ang teats sa cattle, this part, and assuming pod nga mo ni siya ang teat canola, so it's just put, and this is how you do it. So, okay, next is the collecting blood sample. Collecting blood sample. Let's just say, for example, this is the vein, because collecting blood sample is subcutaneous. Then imagine this is the jugular veins. So let's collect 2 ml blood sample. And 2 ml, and then massage. So next is the drenching. So imagine this is the part. Drenching syringe. So this just say, for example, this is the mouth of the cattle, and you just have to hold you just put your finger to between of the mouth, then let's do it like this. So that's it. I hope you learned something, and thank you and goodbye.